And it was another win for New Zealand against Bangladesh in Rawalpindi. Let's take a look at the match summary before we get going. It was Bangladesh that batted first here today. And we thought it was a belter. New Zealand winning the toss, decided to put Bangladesh into bat. And it was a very good effort by Shanto there, 77, 45 down the order. By Adi, but it was not to be. 236, just not enough maybe on this wicket. However, everybody thought that this is going to be an easy chase. It was not. New Zealand losing some early wickets, but then stabilizing, and then of course Ravindra, Rachin Ravindra, absolutely magnificent. I mean, this young boy, every time he goes out to bat, he actually makes an impression. It's fantastic to see him in action today. Some shots he played were just brilliant. New Zealand winning this one by 5 wickets and advancing in this ICC Champions Trophy. We can take a look at the points table after this victory for New Zealand. This is how this pool is looking now. New Zealand up top with 4 points, but India right with them with 4 points. They've both played 2 games each. They've both won their 2 games. Bangladesh, 2 games, 2 losses, but have a very good average compared to Pakistan, who are 2 games, 2 losses, and a negative 1.09. And I think we can actually, well, this is the end of the road for Pakistan. I don't think there's anything left to think. Just like a colorful person that you are. Yellow कब पहनेंगे आप? यार yellow कल पहन के कल Australia का match भी है.
I have to be really brave to wear yellow.
You should wear yellow. It is the match of Australia.
Tomorrow canary yellow.
The yellow frames. हाँ, yellow frames. और वो घड़ी भी yellow वाली, जुराब भी yellow वाली.
You know, हम comments तो पढ़ते हैं सारे अपने YouTube पे या जो हमारे प्रोग्राम के नीचे आते हैं, तो प्लीज आप मुझे दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा ऑलराउंडर ना कहें. बड़े लोगों को गुस्सा आता है.
आप नहीं हैं सबसे बड़े ऑलराउंडर?
नहीं, मैं नहीं हूँ भाई. सिर्फ मुझे कि वसीम अकरम कह दिया कर, जिसने कभी बॉलिंग की थी.
भाई जिन्होंने ये कमेंट्स लिखी है ना, उनके लिए मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहता हूँ.
वो आप तो कमेंट लिखते हैं ना कि आप बड़े बड़े ऑलराउंडर हैं.
मैं ही कहना चाहता हूँ. I mean, come on, guys. जरा सोच समझ के कमेंट्स लिखा कर. It is absolutely embarrassing. And now I'm going to say this, and this is, I shouldn't be saying this, but I will say this because it is zaruri hai. Ke it is zaruri hai. This is ye. हम पढ़ रहे होते हैं comments आप लोगों की. Majority of the comments that are really, really negative and all are coming from back home, from Pakistan. And it shows a very poor mindset. It's just disappointing. And then read all the other comments that are there in the comment section. 99.99% of the comments that we're getting are positive, and they're coming from other parts of the world, including India. So please, ये क्या हो गया आप लोगों को? क्यों हम लोग इतने negative हो गए? भाई जो है issues हैं. But this is me calling him the greatest all-rounder. He was the greatest all-rounder. If you don't believe me, open the history books of cricket up, look at the stats, and go back and look at footage from those days, and then you'll understand. So please, just show some heart, show respect. You want to be critical? Please, by all means, be critical. I've heard some critical remarks about myself, about our panelists, but positive criticism. यार ये ना किया करें, वो ना बोला करें, आप वो जुमला काट देते हैं, आप ये दिखाते नहीं हैं, आप उसको यूं नहीं करते, which absolutely welcome. Why? Because it helps us improve ourselves and helps us improve our show. But when you do these really ridiculous personal attacks, that's just very sad. Actually, it reflects your mindset very poorly.
It shows कि बड़े तरबियत कैसे मिली है. Simple, man. That's it.
So it's just very sad. Other than that, we love you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for being there. Thank you for being with us on this journey of this ICC Champions Trophy. It doesn't matter what part of the world you are in and from. We just welcome you. This is the dressing room. This is where we can all talk. This is our safe space. We can all express ourselves, including yourselves, but not like this.